few weeks ago, a few months ago, we launched a program called Chelesa Harare. We are happy as well that government is complementing the program, which they've also called Chelesa Harare. In complementing the efforts of the city, the government has allowed EMA to hire certain trucks, and also local government has hired trucks. We've been asked to fuel the trucks that have been donated, and there are also well-wishers that have donated a number of trucks. But the city itself has a number of trucks that are going to be operating. We have 12 trucks that are operating from road and waste management. And to complement this effort, we are going to be putting resources to every district center to hire tipper trucks and to hire front-end loaders. So starting from Monday, this program is going to be done simultaneously in every shopping center and at every dump site that is in the city, which is to complement what has been hired. I do understand the program that has been launched by government will take 7 days, which is fine, but we need to continue and to intensify the collection of refuse. As such, we have ordered the release of at least $2,000 per every district per week to hire equipment. And in the meantime, while the equipment is being hired, we have asked for tractors from government, and a letter has been written, 52 tractors, which will be used to create a regular collection, and we are going to be purchasing compactor trucks to complement the efforts and to make sure that we have regular collections.